If your Lasko heater suddenly stops working or won't turn back on, you might be wondering if there's a reset button and where to find it. Many Lasko heaters are designed with built-in safety features, like overheat protection or tip-over shutoff, which can automatically turn the unit off if something isn't right. When that happens, it can feel like the heater is broken, even though it just needs to be reset properly. The tricky part is that not all models have a clearly labeled reset button. Some reset automatically once conditions are safe again. Once you understand how the reset process works, you can quickly get your heater running again without any hassle. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the Lasko heater and unplug it from the power outlet. Step 2. Wait for at least 10-15 minutes to allow it to cool down. Step 3. Check for any visible reset button. Step 4. Press the reset button if your model includes one. Step 5. Ensure vents are clear of dust or obstructions to prevent overheating. Step 6. Plug the heater back in and turn it on.